Hello everyone, welcome to the Next Wave Learning Center. In this video, we'll cover the 20 most important MCQs from ancient Indian history. These are previously asked questions in various government and PSU exams. These are exam-focused questions with quick explanations to strengthen your preparation. Stay till the end to test your knowledge and see how many you can answer correctly. Let's get started. The original home of the Gypsies was A. Egypt, B. Russia, C. India, D. Persia. The original home of the Gypsies, Roma, is C. India. Linguistic and genetic evidence have conclusively shown that the Roma people originated in the northern regions of the Indian subcontinent, likely in what is now northwestern India and Pakistan. Their language, Romani, is rooted in Sanskrit and shares strong similarities with modern Indo-Aryan languages like Hindi and Punjabi. Let's move on to the next question. Sanskrit plays written during the Gupta period women and Sudras speak. A. Sanskrit, B. Prakrit, C. Pali, D. Sauraseni. In Sanskrit plays written during the Gupta period, women and Sudras usually spoke B. Prakrit. In classical Sanskrit dramas, like those of Kalidasa, noble male characters spoke in Sanskrit, while women and lower-class characters, Sudras, used various forms of Prakrit to reflect social and linguistic distinctions. Let's move on to the next question. Zero was invented by A. Aryabhat, B. Varamihara, C. Bhaskar I, D. An unknown Indian. Zero was invented by D. An unknown Indian. The concept of zero as a number, not just a placeholder, was developed in India around the 5th century CE. While mathematicians like Aryabhat, Brahmagupta, and Bhaskar contributed to its use and rules, its exact inventor remains unknown. Let's move on to the next question. The Mughal school of painting formed the spinal column of the various schools of Indian miniature art. Which one of the following painting styles was not affected by Mughal painting? A. Pahri, B. Rajasthani, C. Kangada, D. Kalaita. The correct answer is D. Kalaita. The Mughal school of painting, 16th-18th century, strongly influenced Pahri, Rajasthani, and Kangra styles of miniature painting. However, the Kalighat paintings of 19th century Bengal developed much later, rooted in folk traditions, and were not influenced by Mughal miniature art. Let's move on to the next question. In the context of ancient Indian society, which one of the following terms does not belong to the category of the other three? A. Kula, B. Vansa, C. Kosa, D. Gotra. The correct answer is C. Kosa. In ancient Indian society, Kula equals family, Vansa equals lineage, Gotra equals clan. All three relate to kinship and social structure. But Kosa means treasury, collection of wealth, so it does not belong to the same category. Let's move on to the next question. Who among the following is known for his work on medicine during the Gupta period? A. Sumila, B. Sudraka, C. Shaunaka, D. Sushrutha. The correct answer is D. Sushruta. Sushruta, known as the father of Indian surgery, was a renowned physician whose work Sushruta Sanhita deals with surgery, medicine, and Ayurveda. Though his original work predates the Gupta period, it was studied, compiled, and widely practiced during Gupta times. Let's move on to the next question. Which one of the following sculptures invariably used green schist as the medium? A. Maurya sculptures, B. Mathura sculptures, C. Bharhut sculptures, D. Gandhara sculptures. The correct answer is C. Bharhut sculptures. The Bharhut sculptures, 2nd century BCE, Madhya Pradesh, from the Shunga period were carved mainly in green schist stone. In contrast, Maurya sculptures used polished sandstone, Mathura sculptures used red sandstone, Gandhara sculptures used grey schist. Let's move on to the next question. Prem Vatika, Poems on the Life of Krishna, was composed by A. Bihari, B. Surdas, C. Raskhan, D. Kabir. The correct answer is C. Raskhan. Prem Vatika is a celebrated collection of poems on the life and divine love of Lord Krishna, composed by Raskhan, a Muslim poet deeply devoted to Krishna during the Bhakti movement. Let's move on to the next question. The river most mentioned in early Vedic literature is A. Sindhu, B. Sutuddi, C. Saraswati, D. Ganga. The correct answer is A. Sindhu. In early Vedic literature, especially the Rigveda, the river Sindhu, Indus, is the most frequently mentioned. The Saraswati is also praised highly, but in terms of the number of references, Sindhu appears the most. The Ganga becomes prominent only in later Vedic texts. Let's move on to the next question. The term apabhramsa was used in medieval Sanskrit texts to denote A. Outcasts among the Rajputs, B. Deviations from Vedic rituals, C. Early forms of some of the modern Indian languages, D. Non-Sanskrit verse meters. The correct answer is C. Early forms of some of the modern Indian languages. In medieval Sanskrit texts, apabhramsha referred to the late-stage Prakrit dialects that evolved between 6th–13th centuries CE. These were transitional languages that later developed into modern Indo-Aryan languages like Hindi, Gujarati, and Marathi. Let's move on to the next question. Which one of the following texts of ancient India allows divorce to a wife deserted by her husband? A. Kamasutra, B. Manavadharmshastra, C. Shukra Nitishara, D. Athashastra. The correct answer is D. Athashastra. In Kautilya's Athashastra, 4th century BCE, provisions were mentioned for a wife deserted by her husband. She was allowed to seek divorce and remarry. Other texts like Manusmriti or Kamasutra did not give such legal recognition to divorce. Let's move on to the next question. Which one of the following is not a part of early Jaina literature? A. Theragata, B. Akainashutra, C. Sutrakritana, D. Brihat Kalpasutra. The correct answer is A. Theragata. Theragata belongs to the Buddhist Pali canon, containing verses of early Buddhist nuns. Early Jaina literature includes texts like the Akaina Sutra, Sutrakritana, and Bratkalpa Sutra, which discuss monastic rules, conduct, and philosophy. Let's move on to the next question. The Sufi saint who maintained that devotional music was one way of coming close to God was A. Muinuddin Chishti, B. Baba Farid, C. Syed Muhammad Gesudaraz, D. Shah Alam Bukhari. The correct answer is C. Syed Muhammad Gesudaraz. The Sufi saint Syed Muhammad Gesudaraz 1321-1422 of the Chishti order strongly emphasized sama, devotional music, qawwali, as a spiritual practice to attain closeness to God. Other Chishti saints like Muinuddin Chishti and Baba Farid valued love and devotion, but Gesudaraz particularly defended and promoted the use of music in Sufism. Let's move on to the next question. Which one of the following was a Seva sect in ancient India? A. Ajivika, B. Mattamayura, C. Mayamata, D. Isanashiva Gurudeva Paddhati. The correct answer is B. Mattamura. The Mattamura was a prominent Seva sect in ancient India, especially influential in central and south India around the 8th-12th centuries. Ajivika was a heterodox sect, not Seva. Mayamata is a text on architecture, Vastu Sastra. Isanashiva Gurudeva Paddhati is a later ritual text of Saivism, not a sect. Let's move on to the next question. According to ancient Indian cosmogonic ideas, the sequential order of the cycle of 4 eons, yugas, is a Dwapara, Krita, Treta and Kali, B. Krita, Dwapara, Treta and Kali, C. Krita, Treta, Dwapara and Kali, D. Treta, Dwapara, Kali and Krita. The correct answer is C. Krita, Treta, Dwapara and Kali. According to ancient Indian cosmogonic ideas, time is divided into 4 yugas, eons, in a cycle. Krita, Satya Yuga, the Golden Age, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga, the Age of Decline. Let's move on to the next question. Nastalak was A. A Persian script used in medieval India, B. A raga composed by Tansen, C. A cess levied by the Mughal rulers, D. A manual of code of conduct for the ulamas. The correct answer is A. A Persian script used in medieval India. Nastalak is a calligraphic style of the Persian script, developed in Iran and later used widely in medieval India, especially in Mughal courts, for manuscripts, poetry, and official documents. It is known for its elegant, flowing form. Let's move on to the next question. In medieval India, Mansabdari system was introduced mainly for making recruitment to the army, B. Facilitating revenue collection, C. Ensuring religious harmony, D. Affecting clean administration. The correct answer is A. Making recruitment to the army. The Mansabdari system, introduced by Akbar, was primarily a system to organize the military and administration. Each Mansabdar, rank holder, was assigned a numerical rank that determined his position in the Mughal bureaucracy, the number of troops, cavalry, he had to maintain for the imperial army. Revenue collection and administration were linked, but its main purpose was army recruitment and organization. Let's move on to the next question. Mughal painting reached its zenith under Humayun, B. Akbar, C. Jahangir, D. Shah Jahan. The correct answer is C. Jahangir. Mughal painting, though patronized by Akbar, reached its zenith under Jahangir. He had a keen eye for detail, naturalism, and portraiture. Under his reign, themes like flora, fauna, birds, and realistic portraits flourished, making Mughal art most refined and naturalistic. Let's move on to the next question. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Guru Amar Das Miri and Piri, B. Guru Arjan Dev Adi Granth, C. Guru Ram Das Dal Khalsa, D. Guru Gobind Singh Manji. The correct answer is B. Guru Arjan Dev Adi Granth. Guru Arjan Dev, 5th Sikh Guru, compiled the Adi Granth, the sacred scripture of Sikhism, later expanded into Guru Granth Sahib. Other pairs are incorrect. Miri and Piri concept introduced by Guru Hargobind. Dal Khalsa organized by Nawab Kapoor Singh in the 18th century, not Guru Ram Das. Manji system introduced by Guru Amar Das, not Guru Gobind Singh. Let's move on to the next question. Which one of the following dances involves solo performance? A. Bharatnatyam, B. Kuchipudi, C. Mohiniyattam, D. Odissi. The correct answer is A. Bharatanatyam. Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu, is primarily a solo dance form, performed traditionally by female dancers to express devotion through intricate gestures and expressions. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, often includes both solo and group elements. Mohiniyattam, Kerala, is mostly solo but softer in style. Odissi, Odisha, can be solo or group. Thank you for watching. If these questions are helping in your preparation, a like and subscribe would mean a lot.